Hi guys. So today in this video lecture we are going to introduce the graph. Okay. So graph shows friendship. Like for an example, if there is a tree, how it is tree? The tree shows the parental data structure, parent and child relationship. How? Suppose you can see that A is a parent of B and C. B and C are the child of A. But after you can see that D and E are the child of B. So B is acting as a parent for D and E. So here you can see that the tree is showing the parent and child relationship. But what happens in graph? Graph shows the friendship. So what happens in graph? Suppose A is connected to B and B is connected to C. And here is an element D. So A is the friend of B and B is also a friend of A. B is a friend of D and D is friend of B. A is friend of C and C is friend of A. So here you can see in a tree there is a one problem. That D cannot connect to A again because it's a parent-child relationship. D can have the further its child, but it cannot connect to A again. But this can happen in the graph. D can connect to A because now if D is connecting to A, then D and A are the friend of each other. That is why we call that graph shows friendship and the tree is a parent-child relationship. Now we are going to study our vertices, vertices and edges. So in the vertices and edges, suppose this is our graph. So this is our graph. Then A, B, C and D are the vertices. So in this graph there are 4 vertices. And these lines represent edges. In this graph there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 edges. So basically there are two type of graph. The first one is direct graph and indirect graph. So this is an example of indirect graph because no direction is defined in it. So how we can understand it? Suppose this is a graph, then there is no direction is given, then it is an indirect graph. But if there is a direction is given, like A is connected to B or A is a friend of B, it means that A is a friend of B or connected to B and B is connected to C and D is connecting to C. So here you can see that A is connected to B but B is not connecting to A. So it is a direction over there. But B is connecting to C and C is again not connecting to B and D is connecting to C and A is connecting to D. This is an example of now directed graph. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much.